Welcome to Super Simple Sauppe. Today I'm going to make some lasagna. This is a very easy of lasagna, so anyone can make this. The things you need are oven-ready lasagna, grated cheese, ricotta cheese, onions, and turkey. First, saute your onions. We are using coconut oil. And then you add your ground meat. Then you add salt and pepper. And then you add basil, paprika. Now it's time to layer our ingredients. So let's start with the sauce. Then we put in our oven-ready lasagna. Then we add more sauce. Now you can add your meat. You can use beef or turkey. In this case, I'm using turkey. Then you add ricotta cheese. Sometimes we use cottage cheese, and kids like it because it's milder. Ricotta has a creamier flavor. Then you put lasagna again. You just keep layering it. Now some more sauce. Then we add some more meat. Time to add more ricotta. More lasagna. Now I add a final layer of sauce. This type of lasagna requires 1 cup of water, so that's what we're gonna do. Now let's add some cheese on top. You can use parmesan cheese, but right now we're using cheddar cheese. Now you wrap it in foil. Then we bake it for 45 minutes at 350 degrees. The lasagna is ready. It is nice and hot and looks so good. Thank you for watching Super Simple Sauppe. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!